What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about a new Motorola phone that just came into the prepaid market such as Boost Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. Its unlocked version is also available on Motorola's website and on Amazon and some other websites. So I'm talking about Moto G 5G 2022 and this one I have here is by Boost Mobile. To find out more about this phone and to know whether it's worth buying or not, watch this video till the end. According to its price and specs, this phone falls in the category of mid-range devices. $210 SRP, $80 when you switch to Boost from other carriers. This one just landed to Boost Mobile stores and I have a feeling that soon this will be free for switching customers instead of $80 because currently they are offering Moto G Stylus 5G for free, which I think is a better phone than this in some specs. So always consider the current price and promotions because it changes frequently. But just digging into the box, you guys will save a couple of dollars because it comes with a 10-watt power adapter, which you guys will not find these days at the same price range device such as Galaxy A13 5G or iPhones. So other than that, it has a Type-C charging cable, SIM card tool and manuals to read. 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus LCD is not full vision display. Plenty of space left on the edges as you guys can see. So on the right side, here are the volume keys and power button with the built-in fingerprint scanner to unlock the screen. On the left side, you will find a SIM card and SD card tray. It supports external SD card up to 1 TB in case 64 GB built-in memory is not enough for you. This phone comes with clean Android system, which means it doesn't come with tons of pre-installed applications, which eats up the storage as well as the processing speed. So this version has 4 GB of RAM, which is okay, but its unlocked version comes with 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB built-in storage, but it costs $350 currently. So on the bottom side, it has a headphone jack, mic, Type-C charging port and an external speaker which does not sound loud, neither has a good bass. So overall, a plastic body, a shiny back cover with the lining texture on it, a triple camera setup and a flashlight. So we'll talk in more detail about the cameras. 6.5-inch display is a decent screen size but could be great if it had a full vision display. Not only that, the video quality is not appealing either. This one has IPS TFT LCD 90Hz refresh rate with a 1600 by 720 resolution. So I'm playing this video at 1080p, which is supposed to give me a color rich display, which I don't see on it. The same video gives really good quality if I play at 1080p on the other mid-range devices. If you talk about the external speaker, this one has an average speaker, doesn't sounds louder, neither have a good bass on it. But again, in terms of the sound, everyone has a different taste. So this is a video I played. You guys can see the picture quality as well as the sound on it. This phone has a mid-range 5G MediaTek processor, Dimensity 700 with octa-core. Now the question is, this processor fast enough and how it will perform for gaming? So well, it's a 64-bit processor and 2.2 GHz is a decent clock speed. And in terms of playing games on it, the Temple Run game is running well on it. It's not freezing at high speed, not losing the game quality to me. Now don't know how it will perform with heavy games, but overall it's a good processor. Its triple camera setup is not impressive, even though it has a 50 megapixels main camera, but only 2 megapixels depth and 2 megapixels wide angle camera. The selfie camera is 13 megapixels only. The camera setup is full of features, but video and picture quality are not as great as they should be at this price range. The recorded video is not clear, colors are dull, and objects are a little blur. Portrait mode works just fine, but 2 megapixels wide angle is not enough to fit more objects in one picture or one big building in a one picture. It has a dual capture mode, which is quite interesting. You can take photo or record a video from front and back cameras simultaneously. A $210 locked and $350 unlocked version of this phone could come with the better camera setup than this, and at least a 32 megapixel selfie camera as compared to the 13 megapixels. So in my point of view, this one is not for those customers who love to take videos and pictures. The battery is big in this phone, 5000 milliamps. Motorola usually does well in terms of the battery. A 10-watt power adapter might take a little longer to fully charge this phone as compared to the 25 watts, but at least you don't have to buy the adapter separately. So to save the battery power, you can turn on the adaptive battery feature, which utilizes the battery power smartly after learning the way of your phone usage. Or you can select a 60 Hz refresh rate instead of 90 Hz to save the battery, but remember, it will lower the phone performance. So one full charge can last up to 2 days if you are a regular phone user, which is a plus point in this phone. This phone has all options to lock the screen, including the traditional and advanced methods, such as by applying the pin, using swapping method, pattern unlock, by applying password, using fingerprint sensor or face unlock, and smart lock. Just a brief introduction to smart lock if anyone doesn't know. It has 3 ways to lock or unlock the screen. The first one is on body detection. Your phone stays unlocked while you are moving. The second one is trusted places. Your phone stays unlocked while you are at your trusted places. It can be your house or the office. The third one is trusted devices. Your screen stays unlocked while it's connected or it detects your trusted devices. It can be your earbuds or your CarPlay or any other Bluetooth thing. So any one of these features or all 3 features will not work until you set it up. And the fingerprint sensor is built in the power button. It's like quite difficult to set it up, but works very fast and accurately. Let's talk about the Moto gestures, which is a Motorola's proprietary feature that helps you to do many tasks by gestures, such as opening the camera, turning on flashlight, taking the screenshots, and many more. You need to turn on those features if you want to use any of them. So to do that, go in the settings app and click on gestures and custom features. Scroll down a little bit and click on gestures. So here are all gesture features you can turn on and off, depends whatever you want to use. This phone comes with Android version 12. Once you scroll down from top to bottom, then you will see the different interface. The numbers are big and big shortcut icons for the commonly used features. This phone cannot be used as a contactless device such as Google Pay or Apple Pay because it doesn't support NFC. I have covered most of the important specs and features. Now it's time to decide if this phone is worth buying or not. So this phone has a few specs which we find in the mid-range devices, but the majority of the specs are low rated. So on the positive side, it is a 5G phone with an octa-core processor, got Android version 12 and a big 5000 milliamps battery. But on the negative side, a built-in storage is low, 64 GB. Mid-range phones are coming these days in 128 GB and up. So in a short period, it will ask for an SD card. So display colors are not stunning. The camera setup is average. The speaker sounds low and doesn't fulfill the one of the modern time requirement, which is contactless payments. So before to buy this phone, you should consider the important specs and features which you need on your daily basis. That's all. I hope you guys like this video. Please share your thoughts regarding this phone in the comment section. Subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.